Developed in 1968 by Bruce Henderson, founder of the Boston Consulting Group, this tool, also known as a growth share matrix, is like a compass for businesses. It helps one smartly allocate resources across various products and brands. It does this by focusing on two key factors. One, how fast the market is growing, and two, how much of that market does the product own. Let's break those down. Think of market growth as the speedometer of an industry. It measures how fast the market for a particular product or business is expanding. The next is relative market share. It tells you how much of the total market you own compared to your competitors. By combining these two factors, market growth and relative market share, and plotting them on a simple 2 by 2 grid, we get a four distinct quadrants referred to as stars, question marks, cash cows, and dogs. And these are not just any quadrants. Each one represents a different type of product with a unique strategic role. Let's meet them, shall we? Hey there, I'm the star, the high flyer, the one everyone's watching. I'm in a market that's booming, growing at a lightning speed, and I am leading the pack with a dominant market share. Think of a cutting edge tech startup in the AI revolution. That's me. The market is exploding, and I'm right at the forefront, capturing attention as well as the market share. Your job? Keep feeding me resources to maintain my position. Success here ensures your company stays relevant and ahead of the curve. Invest in me, and I'll help you conquer new frontiers.
I'm the question mark, the one with untapped potential. I'm in a fast growing market full of promise, but I haven't quite made the mark yet. My market share is still very small compared to the big players. I'm like the new kid on the block trying to make a name for myself. With the right strategy and a bit of investment, I could become the next big thing, a future star. The question is, will you bet on me and help me reach my full potential? Or will you focus your energy somewhere else? Give me a chance. I might just surprise you.
I'm the cash cow, the reliable backbone of your business. I'm in a mature, stable market and I hold a commanding market share. Think of me as the prime piece of real estate in a major city or a successful franchisee outlet in a prime location. I might not be making headlines, but I consistently deliver strong, steady returns. I do not need huge investments, but I am the engine that funds your operations and fuels your riskier ventures. Protect me, nurture me wisely, but do not overspend. I've already done my heavy lifting. And now I provide the stability you need. Count on me to keep the lights on and the profits flowing.
I'm the dog, the seasoned veteran who has seen better days. I'm in a slow growth market and my market share is, well, modest. I might not be the exciting one anymore, but I still have value. I was once a top performer, dependable, and got you where you needed to go, right? Now I might be outdated and require more upkeep. While I might still serve a purpose, keeping me around could mean missing out on newer, more promising opportunities. It's a tough call, but sometimes saying goodbye to the old makes way for the new, freeing up resources for a brighter future.
Let's put the BCG matrix to the test with a real world giant. Meta, the company that's shaping the way we connect, communicate, and experience the world. First up, let's talk about the stars. The high growth, high market share products that are leading the charge. In Meta's portfolio, Instagram shines brightly here. Instagram is a leading platform in the visual social media space, especially with features like stories, reels, and shopping. Next, we have the question marks. Those products with high growth potential but currently holding a smaller market share. In Meta's case, Threads and Reality Labs, including products like Meta Quest and the Horizon Worlds platform, fall into this category. Threads is Meta's attempt to compete with platforms like X, formerly known as Twitter, in the text based social media arena. It's new in a growing but a highly competitive market. Its success depends on its ability to attract and retain a large user base. Reality Labs represents Meta's investment in virtual and augmented reality, including products like Meta Quest and the Horizon Worlds platform. While the metaverse has significant potential, it is still an emerging market. Now, let's move on to the cash cows, the steady, reliable earners that generate significant cash flow with relatively low investment needs. For Meta, Facebook is the quintessential cash cow. While its growth has slowed in some regions, it remains a global social networking behemoth with billions of users. Its advertising platform is incredibly powerful, generating massive revenue. Features like Marketplace and Facebook ads contribute to its continued profitability. WhatsApp is a leading global messaging app with over 2.95 billion monthly active users, making it the most used instant messaging app worldwide. Another cash cow for Meta is Meta Business Suite, a tool designed to help businesses manage their online presence across Facebook and Instagram and drive ad revenue. And finally, we have the dogs, products in low growth markets and low market share. These often struggle to generate profits and may even be a drain on resources. Meta Portal, a line of smart displays for video calling, struggle to compete against established players like Amazon and Google. It was discontinued in 2023 due to limited market share and growth prospects. Workplace by Meta, a collaboration platform designed for businesses, similarly faced tough competition from Slack and Microsoft Teams and may have continued to operate in its niche, but Meta decided to shut it down in 2024. So, there you have it. A real world demonstration of how the BCG matrix can illuminate a company's strategic landscape, helping to identify its rising stars, its reliable cash cows, its intriguing question marks, and its dogs that might be nearing retirement.